Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to go over another Jeep Gladiator mod that I've done in the past. Just reviewing that and we'll go from there. Okay guys, I had a previous video that I went over the LED upgrade. If you haven't seen that, check my channel. So you kind of got a glimpse, if you watch that, with some of the things I've done to the front of my Jeep. And now I'm just going to kind of review it in a little more detail, and we can take it from here. So here goes. So as you can see, there's a couple upgrades that I've done to the front here. This is a Sport S, but it actually came with the premium bumper, which is, it's still the plastic bumper, but it's, I think, an overland bumper. Obviously I'm going with the blackout look with the gray, and because of that, though, there was a sorry, cleaning bugs, but it had a like a light silver gray trim right here. So that was one mod I did. I went and picked up a replacement, just kind of blackout one from Mopar, and it was pretty straightforward to install that. Actually, you can get at it from the back, but I simply just did like a plastic pry tool and even like a credit card to kind of find the pins and hold them back, and then all of a sudden the whole thing just kind of popped out. Popped the new one on, and like how that looks. Didn't want the silver look to, well, anything within the Jeep, so we changed that out. And then if we glance up again, you'll see the same color Mopar replacement grille. So that's also blacked out. I had the Stingray from the factory that actually had the color matched grille. And then one thing I noticed when I wanted to upgrade to the blackout, the Sport S grille is different than higher trim packages like the Mojave or the Rubicon, in that when you order this piece, it comes with the trim pieces that actually go around. I take that back, it didn't come with it, I just ordered it that way. But the Rubicon actually has, these trim pieces are in 3 pieces. So you got this section, you'll see the seam there, and then you have the middle, and then obviously the other side. The grill that I had from factory with the Sport S actually is 1 piece, so the grill and the trim is attached. So to swap out the black grill, I actually had to buy and get color matched those 3 trim pieces. So again, the pieces are pretty straightforward, not very pricey, and I found a local paint shop that actually just painted those up for me to match my Stingray. Actually turned out really well, and they just kind of snap on. There's a couple clips that you put on from the back, obviously, and then it mounts just as easy as any other Jeep grill. It's just the tree clips in the front, and then there's just metal clips that you just pull back on, the whole thing comes off. So I love this look. It was such an upgrade. I like how the color match trim looks as well. I love how that is the same color and kind of fits really well that way. So yeah, that is the front that I upgraded. And no more silver, no more shiny like metal. I think the only shiny like silver look that I have on the Jeep right now is obviously the locks. That's about it. And I know they actually sell those little covers. You can get for those on like Etsy, where it's just something that was 3D printed and people sell them. I'll think about that, we'll see, but those aren't very noticeable. So yeah, So what do you guys think? I hope you'd like it, and if you want to tackle something like this yourself, feel free to comment, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. The channel, I think this is video 4 or 5, I think 5, on my mod reviews to my 2021 Jeep Gladiator Stingray. I love this Jeep. I got a bunch more mods to talk about, so please revisit the channel and subscribe if you would like. I hope you like the content so far. I'm still getting used to this whole YouTube thing, but yeah, it's getting easier. Like the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so I can alert you when I got some more videos to post. Again, I appreciate it. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know. I can put links for part numbers and all that in the description below, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much for stopping by.